Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best drone.
Starting at number 5.
DJI Mini 3. If you're a first-time buyer, the Mini 3 is the best budget drone you can buy. It's small, lightweight and much more affordable than the Mini 4 Pro. It lacks the obstacle avoidance that its pricier sibling offers. However, if you're confident enough to navigate obstacles without DJI's automated safety feature, then the budget-friendly option delivers identical image quality, 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and excellent JPEG and RAW images. Its 12MP sensor also rotates to shoot in portrait, handy for social. What you don't get is log color profiles, and that will limit the Mini 3 appeal to professionals who need the editing flexibility for video files. Another notable absence when compared to Pro drones is subject tracking. However, DJI's Quick Shots feature is present and a treat for beginners, allowing them to plot an automated flight path and potential capture engaging video sequences. This is an easy drone to start your piloting journey, especially if you get it with the optional controller and with the downward vision sensors and GPS that help with precise hovering. You'll get better image quality and increased stability in windy conditions with Pro drones like the Mavic 3 Classic, but the Mini 3 is the one for budget buyers.
Coming at number 4.
DJI Mini 4. With a lightweight build and pro-grade features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro was previously our favorite drone. The Mini 4 Pro builds on its qualities to deliver an even better experience, albeit not a radically different one. If you already own a Mini 3 Pro, it probably doesn't justify an upgrade. But if you're switching from a different model or buying your first Mini series drone, it's an excellent choice. Its small, folding design is almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro, as is the regulation-friendly 249g takeoff weight. Also the same as the 1/1.3-inch sensor, which still delivers excellent image quality. Thanks to processing updates, we found it even better at handling noise in low light. Serious videographers will also welcome the new D-Log M color profile, which offers greater consistency with the Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, meaning the Mini 4 Pro is even safer than its predecessor when it comes to operating indoors or near trees. We also found Active Track 360 degrees highly effective, making it an easy drone for beginners to fly confidently. If you can afford the DJI RC2 controller option, you'll have the best backpack-friendly drone bundle.
At number 3.
DJI Mini 4. This is an upgraded version of the Mini 3 Pro, with a redesigned chassis, upgraded camera, and the addition of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors. The sub-250G category is important in some territories because it falls into an area where there are fewer regulation headaches. This is a big deal in places like Europe, less so in places like the US. It is also one of the quietest drones that I've flown, so if you're looking not to attract attention, this is the drone for you. That said, the Mini 4 Pro is a very capable drone that you can slip into a pocket and take with you on your adventures. That's not something you could do with the Mavic 3 Pro. User reviews for this drone on Amazon and Reddit praise its excellent image quality, how easy it is to fly, its performance, and its quality. This is a highly rated drone.
Number 2 of my list.
DJI Avata 2. The new DJI Avata 2 FPV, first-person view, drone has completely flipped the script for me, taking what was previously quite a calming meditative, even activity and turning it into a crazy, white-knuckle ride. Within moments of donning on the goggles and sending the Avata 2 on its first full-speed run, I felt like Wile E. Coyote, strapped to an ACME rocket, engaged in a desperate life-or-death chase after the Roadrunner. Everything in the kit is exactly what I've come to expect from DJI top-tier quality. The drone itself feels sturdy, which was a bit of a surprise since it's not much heavier than DJI's sub-250-gram ultralight drones. The prop guards seem like they can take a hit or two, and yeah, I had to put that to the test. However, it's important to note this is an FPV drone. So, if you're aiming to capture cinematic footage or doing detailed shots of buildings for a realtor, this might not be the best choice. Think of it more as a flying action camera than a traditional one. That distinction really shapes the kind of results you can expect from it.
And number 1.
DJI Mavic 3. This is DJI's flagship consumer/prosumer drone. It's big, it's mean, it's noisy, it has 3 cameras, and is the perfect drone to get the job done. If the conditions will let you fly a drone, the Mavic 3 Pro will deliver. The Mavic 3 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 3x optical zoom, and is capable of 48MP/12MP photos, 4K/60 FPS video, and supports the new D-Log-M. On top of that, the wide-angle camera now also supports the new 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, allowing the sensor to capture up to 1 billion colors. This not only makes the camera better at capturing difficult scenes such as sunrises and sunsets, but also makes it easier to process the captured video. In terms of drones that you can pack away and carry in a bag, this is the most stable, most capable, and most powerful drone that I've ever flown. Yes, as with all drones, it takes some getting used to, and it takes time to understand the strengths and weaknesses of the 3 cameras. But once you master this drone, you have an incredibly powerful platform for capturing unique photo and video shots.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.